Welcome to Week 3 of our BPET.STATx course, Analytics for Decision Making. This week, Professor Kachaturian leads us in a look at how analytics professionals use data to make forecasts and predictions. Professor Kachaturian spent several years as a statistical consultant with PricewaterhouseCoopers, working with clients in many different industries to take advantage of all kinds of data. Let's start with a big picture look at some common themes in this week's examples. As always, variability will be present, and the decision-making process will be carefully considered. But now we get to add the element of building models that can eventually be used repeatedly. Rather than just making a single decision or estimate, our end goal is to develop systems that can automate decision processes. For example, a lender may wish to estimate the probability that a particular borrower will default and fail to repay a loan. From our study in Week 1, we know that any such estimate will be imprecise, so we'll want to quantify that imprecision. We also know we need to test our assumptions to make sure the model is appropriate. From our knowledge of decision-making processes in Week 2, we know that we have to avoid developing a system that merely mirrors our own preconceived notions rather than truly adding knowledge. So we know our models won't be perfect. We may make some forecasts that turn out to be wrong, but good data-driven models will still outperform our intuition. While we can use technology to store data and make calculations, deciding exactly how to make decisions for individual cases is not a task that can be easily automated. We also need to think about how well models really work in application and be ready to adapt them as new data becomes available. In this course, we can't cover all the details of the technical steps needed to build and test models, but we will present an example of the basic structure. Thanks for sticking with us so far. We hope you enjoy Week 3.